free. In this video, I would like to share about one of the topics in our textbook that I chose, which is stress, friend or a foe. Before I explain further, I just want to ask to everyone out there, are you ever feel stressed and you don't even know if it's a good for you or is it bad for you? Or are you don't even feel stressed before? Okay, I'm gonna learn it from you because I don't want to feel stressed too. Actually, it's impossible because a normal human being will feel stressed, right? Okay, enough talking about this. Back to our main topic for today. Is stress a friend or a foe to you? In my opinion, I think that stress can be both. I mean, like, it can be a friend, it can be a foe too. So why did I say that? Like, why am I saying stress is good for our health when what are we facing are very frustrating and stressful that we are gonna surrender it all? Okay, let me tell you. Stress is good because according to some researchers, they said that it will help you to push yourself to the level of optimal alertness, behavioral, and also giving you cognitive performance. That's what we call acute stress. So now you know. This means that, for example, if you're walking alone and then you see a dog in front of you, then you will think of, what should I do to avoid it? What if the dog suddenly run into me, attacking me, or even bite me? What should I do? What if I can run back to save my life? So that's it. That's the acute stress you are feeling which make you stay alert with your surrounding. And this is good stress for you. Well, not only acute stress, but stress also have two categories, which the other one is chronic stress. As I said earlier, acute stress is good for you, and it makes you stay focused and alert. Meanwhile, the chronic stress is not good for your health and will lead to have many problems. So what are the problems of having this chronic stress? The problems are chronic stress elevates level of stress hormones that have on the entire body, such as increasing the risk of chronic obesity, heart disease, and it will also lead you to depression. This is not good for your health. And if you are having this sign, please seek for professional help as soon as possible. Remember, prevention is better than cure. You need to understand the different type of these two types of stress, of acute stress and also the chronic stress. So you will know what are you feeling at the moment, and it will help you to avoid you from having the health issue. Last but not least, to elaborate more on this matter, acute stress is a short term of stress you will feel. It's just like you are feeling stressful when doing assignments and work, or assignments or work that you need to send in a certain date. So it only lasts for a few hours. So it is acute stress. The final answer of stress, a friend or a foe. My answer is yes, stress is a friend because at first you will help you, and yes, stress can also be a foe. I choose both. Stress is good at first, but it's also a question of how much, how long, how you interpret to perceive it. In the meantime, the acute stress you are having will betray you if it's longing for a long time. Intense stress can sometimes be harmful, leading to post-traumatic stress disorder. To sum up, I do agree stress can be both. I do hope that each one of you will be able to a good take a good care of your health and manage to differentiate the stress, as health is one of your treasures. Thank you so much for lending me your ears, and have a nice day.